Sorry to interrupt, sir, but I believe there's been a misunderstanding in the translation of the Dutch contract, said 12-year-old Lanna Santos in flawless Dutch, addressing billionaire Richard Vanderberg, who had just exploded at her mother. Vanderberg, owner of America's largest luxury hotel chain, froze. For 15 minutes, he had been struggling with an incompetent translator, losing a $50 million deal. And now a child, the daughter of the cleaning lady he barely noticed, spoke the language no one at the hotel mastered. Lanna, with an IQ of 165, had spent her childhood devouring books on linguistics and philosophy while observing injustices her mother, so-and-see saw, faced. Her mother, despite a master's degree in literature, had been relegated to cleaning rooms for 8 years, her applications for administrative roles ignored. Maybe you should ask why she cleans bathrooms instead of working in international relations, Lanna continued, switching to Portuguese, her eyes blazing with intelligence. Managers Thompson and Williams exchanged nervous glances, realizing for the first time that the invisible cleaning staff had been silently enduring years of discrimination. Vanderberg, struck by Lanna's poise and intellect, ordered her continue in Dutch. Lanna calmly exposed every episode of mismanagement, lost contracts due to bad translations, and the systemic neglect of qualified employees like her mother. She pulled out memos and replies that documented her mother's warnings, all ignored by management. Thompson scoffed, calling it childish fantasy, but Lanna corrected him, highlighting his lack of education, her mother's credentials, and the pattern of deliberate obstruction. Vanderberg examined the folder, eyes widening at the evidence. Emails, recordings, and meticulous notes detailing years of discrimination and managerial arrogance. Lanna had documented not only racism, but critical failures that cost the company millions. She revealed a recording of Williams dismissing her mother and using derogatory language, recorded secretly in the locker room. Vanderberg, now fully attentive, realized Lanna had built a dossier of every injustice, undermining years of corporate neglect. By the end of that confrontation, Thompson and Williams were visibly shaken, realizing this was not just a child's cleverness, but a systematic investigation into their misconduct. Vanderberg recognized Lanna's intellect and foresight, finally seeing the power and justice in giving voice to the invisible. For 2 years, Lanna had secretly built a network of invisible allies across the hotel, employees overlooked, ignored, or marginalized, who fed her critical information. Carmen from the laundry intercepted VIP documents, Roberto from maintenance monitored the systems, and others shared proof of payroll irregularities. Lanna had uncovered a staggering scheme. Thompson had created 47 ghost employees, siphoning over $2 million into accounts he controlled, while using racial discrimination and unpaid overtime as a cover. Vanderberg, absorbing the details, was stunned. Lanna explained that Williams had enforced unpaid double shifts as discipline, masking ghost employee hours and intimidating staff into silence. She presented spreadsheets, recordings, bank documents, and meticulous logs, evidence so solid that even top lawyers would struggle to refute it. Thompson and Williams' desperation grew, but Vanderberg kept his focus on the 12-year-old mastermind. The next morning, Thompson arrived expecting to discredit Lanna, but she had anticipated every move. Lanna arrived with Carmen, Roberto, and other employees she had empowered. On her laptop, she revealed the ghost employees' embezzled funds and recordings of threats, discrimination, and orders to hide evidence. Vanderberg watched in disbelief as Thompson's schemes unfolded in real time. Just then, FBI agents entered. They had received Lanna's detailed anonymous report, complete with evidence of embezzlement, slave labor, and systemic discrimination. Thompson and Williams were arrested on the spot. Vanderberg turned to Lanna, realizing she had orchestrated everything from the very first day she had presented her mother's memos. "I understand that the world works with evidence," she told Thompson, her calm composure unshaken. In the aftermath, justice was swift. Thompson received 8 years, Williams 4. So-and-see Saul was promoted to Director of International Relations, earning $15,000 per month, while Lanna attended a private school for gifted children, fully supported by the hotel chain. Vanderberg implemented the Lanna Santos program across all hotels, auditing and promoting qualified employees in subordinate positions. In just 1 year, 847 employees were reclassified, saving $12 million in unnecessary outsourcing. The story went viral, inspiring children and adults to challenge injustice and fight for recognition. Lanna's meticulous planning, intelligence, and determination had transformed a culture of discrimination into one of accountability, proving that even the smallest voices, when armed with knowledge and courage, could dismantle corruption and achieve true justice.